Hi guys, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class, we saw the employee leave registration form. In this class, I am going to teach the leave details. So let's go to add the another form, leave details form. So we have to change it as leave details. Right here, I am going to create the first one should be the employee number. After that, we have to name, category, department, and date. Date. Right. We have our labels, so we have to arrange them. You need a combo box for that. Need a text box. Name, category, here department, here we have to create a date. This one for to date, this one for from. This one days. Right. Now here we have to write like this. This is a from, this to date. Here days, how many days you need a leave. After that, leave category, we have to simply drag one group box here. This one we have to give the name as leave category. We have 4 types. We need 4 radio buttons. Casual, annual, medical. Sorry, this one should be casual. What are the leave types available here? Casual, annual, medical. Annual, medical. Just a text. No pay. This one should be medical. Right, that's it. Now I need 2 buttons. This one should be okay. This one should be cancelled. Right. Now we have to. Right. Now we need a text boxes. 1, 2 text boxes we need. Arrange them. We need to date pickers. and we need one text box. Right, that's it. That's the thing we need. Right, now you have to select this one and we have to paste here. Right, now let's see the things. Now here double click on the form. First I'm going to write the namespace, import system dot data SQL client. Here you have to write the first you have to write the dim read as data reader, SQL data reader. After that we have to write the dim I as integer. After that you have to create some variables, casual cs casual, comma annual, comma medical has has no p as decimal data type. Right, now first write the function. Here we have to private sub binding. First you have to connect the database, this one connection db. It's coming from here, connection db. Now after that go to the leave details form. Here you have to load the SQL data adapters. First we have to load the employee tables and leave details table and leave table. So we have to load 3 tables. So we have to write the first dim da as SQL data adapter equal new SQL data adapter. Here you have to write as select query, select all from employee details. Same thing, you have to control C to copy, control V to paste here, this one 2. Right, here we have to change it as this one, as we have to change it as leave details. This one leave. That's it. After that what I am going to do is here we have to write the fill one, di.fill. Here we have to write the data set ds equal, we didn't write the data set object here. We have to write as a dim ds as data set. Right, now here you have to write a ds equal new data set. Here you have to fill ds comma employee, this one. Double quotation mark, inside the double quotation mark we have to paste this one. After that we have to copy this one, control C to copy, control V to paste 2 times. This one 2, this one for employee details, this is a leave. That's the thing we have to write. Okay, success. Now this function we have to call when the form is loaded. Right, the first step we have to load correctly. After that we have to go to the leave details table. We have this one should be named as txt emp id, this one txt emp name, this one should be txt category This one should be txt department, txt dpt department. This is a txt from date. This one should be txt to date. This one txt days, txt days. Right, that's the thing you have to write. Now here what I am going to do is here txt emp id dot items dot clear. Here we have to write a txt id dot data source equal ds dot tables. Here we have to write as a this column name employee details. We have to paste inside the double quotation mark. Right, now when the form is loaded, the particular combo box employee id will be loaded here. Here we have to set as a data member txt emp id dot display member equal, we have to write this one as a emp number, okay. Now here you can see that this one employee details, you can see this number we have to load. Right, that's the thing we have to write. Now here we have to date picker. This one name from date to date dot values equal today txt from date, sorry, txt to date dot value today. Right, on dot close. You have to close the connection right here. Now let's execute the program and check. So project, here we have to select the form as this one. What was the error? Employee details. Here I wrote the table name wrong. That's the wrong. Here we have to write as a employee details. Details. Copy the same name. Right. Now we can fill out again loan details. What is the wrong here? Leave details. What is the wrong here? Leave details. Let's check. Here leave details. So here we have a wrong. Again we have a wrong. Right. Now perfect. Here all the employee number should be displayed successfully when the form is loaded. Okay. Now if I select the particular employee, the relevant details should be displayed on these text boxes. Okay, what is the employee name of this belongs to this id, name, category and department. Okay, let's do the task. So what I'm going to do is here we double click on this. If you double click on the combo box, you go to the event selector index change. Here we have to write the code. So here we have to write first one is if txt emp id dot text equal system, dot write like this, system dot data row view like this, press enter key. You have to write like this and press enter key. After that we have to write a exit sub. You have to call exit sub. Right. After that we have to write the things here. First we have to close the connection, close. So write as the things dim cmd as sql command equal new sql command cmd dot connection equal con cmd dot command text equal. You have to write the query here, select all from which table, employee details table, employee details, where emp number equal single quotation, double quotation, double quotation, single quotation. Here we have to write as a 2 unsigned marks. Here we have to write the employee number, txt emp id dot text, right, like this. Here we have to remove the extra spaces if it is there, stream. After that we have to close the bracket. We have to open and close. That's good. Right, that's thing we have to write. This query we have to write. What is wrong here? Right here we have to write like this. Right. After that, what I'm going to do is open the connection, contact open. Read read. You already create this class here, above here. Read SQL data adapter equal cmd dot execute reader. After that execute reader, so to do while the read dot read plus enter key, automatically loop should be generated. After that you have to write the text box name, which if you select the particular id, you have to display the record at these text boxes, txt name dot text dot whatever it is not display, down here txt emp number dot text equal read, this one read. Here we have to get the things is get value. You have to get two things. Go to the employee, this one employee table. We have to get two things, first name and last name. So this is a position of 1, this is a position of 2. So how to get it? This one position 1, because it's starting from 0 position. 0 position mean emp id, first position mean first name, second position mean last name. So you have to write like this, and sign space and sign. The same thing you have to copy and paste here, and you have to change it to. After that we have to write the same thing here, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. Write as this one dot get value employee category, so emp cat, so not a emp cat, but here we have write out emp cat as txt category. So txt category, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. This one we have to change it as a department, right? So we have to see the position of that 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 position. This is a 9 position, so the 7 position is this. So 9 position of department we have to display the record. After that we have to close the connection. That's the thing we have to write. We have to write a that's the thing we have to write. After that we have to, if there are any mistake, we have to write the error message box dot show dot write easily invalid employee code. That's the thing you have to write. You have to write txt employee id dot text equal, you have to clear that one. After that we have to write the focus. If it is not fine, it is clear and focus on the combo box. You have to close the connection again here. Right, that's the thing we have to write. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Here what is the wrong? Invalid attempt to read and close. What's the wrong? Here what I'm going to do is, here I had a problem with the try. We have to write the try here. We have to Control X cut off this one and we have to paste it here, and here we have to inside the do while loop we have to write it as a exit try. Right, now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Now it's working properly. Here it's working properly. So we have to put the exit here, exit try. So it's exit. If it is there, it will be exit. Okay, the code should be exit. Okay, here. Okay, so that's the problem. So we have to write a query try. So here, if you have any error, you can write like this message box. Here we have to write like this ex dot message. We have to write like this. Now it's working fine. Here if you select the particular employee, here it's wrong. Category and department should be wrong. What is the problem? Let me check. Here we have to write this one as a sorry, here is 7. I just changed that. Right, now it's working fine. Here it's working fine now. Now it's working well. Right, it's a problem had. Now let's go here. Now what I'm going to do is, here I'm going to write another things. Let's double click on this. Here we have to write again. After the here end try, here we have to write another stuff is, we have to write another try. Here we have to write dim cmd this one's casual, cmd casual as sql command equal new sql command. Here you have to write first one is this one dot connection equal con. Here you have to write again command text equal select this one, which table I am going to select it, this one. Casual. You write the name properly. Casual. Select casual from leave is a table name where emp id. I here wrote as an emp id. not a number, emp id. I wrote here emp id equal single quotation, double quotation, double quotation, single quotation. In between here add two and signs. Here we have to write a txt employee id dot text dot trim. Write like this. After that we have to write an sign and leave here this one, last year this one, last year this one, last year we have to write as last year. Write last year. Here we have to write last year equal, we have to write single quotation, double quotation, double quotation, single quotation. Here you have to write two and signs. Here you have to write str. Here you have to write a year. You have to write a today. This one you have to write it. After that we have to close it. Present key. That's the thing you have to write. What is the problem here? And need a space. So insert the missing the bracket, which is the one bracket missing. Here we have to put another bracket here. That's a problem. Right, now the error go away. Okay, now here what I'm going to do is, here I'm going to open the connection, contact open. Here you have to read r.read. For this one we have to just read. You have to copy and paste it. Here we have to write as this one equal SQL command, SQL reader, execute reader. Here we have to write as do while loop, do while dot read, press enter key. Here we have to write we have created already the function, this one, sorry, variable casual. You have to copy and paste it here, and you have to write it as a read r read, this one, read dot get values. Zero. Here we have to write it like this. If 0 mean this position 0, if casual, this one, greater than 0, you are checking greater than 0, this. Now here what I am going to do is, here this is the casual button, radio button, which name is radio button 1. Here what I am going to do is, here I am going to write if the casual variable greater than 0, here you have to write radio button 1 dot enable, otherwise Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, here false. That's it. After that we have to close the connection, Ctrl close. After that we have to write as exit do. We have to exit this do, right? That's the thing we have to write. After that we have to close the connection. Here we have to close the connection. Here also we have to close the connection. The same command what I am going to do is here I am going to copy and paste. So here I have made only for the casual part, only this. We have to do another two things, annual and medical. So the same thing we have to do here. So here also the same same thing, the same code we have to copy. Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Don't copy with try, okay? The all are we have to paste in the try. Here we have to change it as this one for CMD annual. Control C to copy, Control V to paste this one annual. Here also annual. So annual. Alright, now here what I am going to do is here not a casual. I already made the variable annual. Control C to copy and here we have to paste here. Right, that's the thing we have to do. Annual. Here select annual. Here this one. Select annual. From leave is a table name where employee ID equal this text box and this year. The same thing we have to do, only we have to change the name only annual. Other stuff are same. Second stuff we have to do is the annual mean radio button 2. We have to change here as a radio button 2 here. It would be radio button 2. Right, the same thing we have to do the another thing as well. Same code we have to copy, paste here. This one should be medical. Medical. Here also we have to, what is the variable we have created? Medical. The same variable we have Control C to copy and Control V to paste here. Right, same thing. What is the radio button for the radio button 3? We have to change it as a radio button 3. Right, here not annual, this one should be medical. Here medical, you have to paste it. Right, the same thing. Right, perfect. Now the same code I have copy again. The final one should be no pay. So we have to pay CMD no pay. This one Control C copy, Control V to paste here, here and here. Only thing, this one should be I have Control C to copy this variable. We have to paste here. This stuff we no need. After that we have to remove it, select and remove it. That's it we have to do. Here we have to write the catch part. Only we have to message box dot show dot write the message ex dot message. Right, that's the only thing we have to do. Right, okay. Perfect. Here if the casual, if the employee the leave, if the employee leave casual greater than 0, it is greater than 0, you can see here database it's greater than 0. It is a greater than 0 because I have added 8. Okay, so then only this one should be enabled, radio button 1, otherwise false. Okay, if there is below 0 casual leave, so the radio button become false. Okay, that's why we have added. So now when you execute the program, all are above the 0 range, so it's all are enabled here. Okay, if you check here, it's enabled, here it's enabled. If it is below the range, it is disabled. Okay, that's the thing we have to do. Right, now after that, what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to get the days. If you select the from date to to date, how many days your leave should be calculated. Okay, so how to do the task? So here double click on this date picker here, double click on this, it goes to the event value change. Here you have to use the function date if, so you have to calculate the days. So text days dot text, this is the text box, there your days should be displayed. This is the text box. So equal, you have to write the function date if function, date if function, date if, here this one you have to pick up from this properties. Okay, instead of writing, then you can avoid the errors. Date interval dot date, comma, you have to write the text box date picker names carefully, ext as the date from date, this is one, dot value dot date, comma, txt to date dot value. Right, here the same thing you have to control C to copy, you have to, this one also you have to paste, control V to paste, same from date and to date, two things you have to paste the same code. Okay, now you can check here, when the employee here day become now 0. Now if you are selected, you need the leave from this today 12th, you need the leave for the new year, so here I need only for 1 week leave, here 19 you are selected, here 7 days should be displayed. Okay, the leave will be selected like this. So this is how you have to calculate the days, right, using the date if function. Now I'm going to accepting the leave here, this one. So here double click on the OK button, we have to write the code for here. First what I'm going to do is here, first I'm going to create the variable dim bal mean bal leave, balance leave as a decimal. I've created the variable bal leave, data type as a decimal. After that you have to write a try block. Here you have to write first one is if radio button 1 mean casual, so here you have to write as radio button 1 dot check equal true mean true, press enter key. Here you already create the variable here, this one, control C copy, control V paste here, equal, here you have what is the leave casual, you already create the variables for that. Here we are the variable, you have to already create the variable above. Actually here this is a casual, how many leaves you are doing, all the things you have to pass the variable. Okay, database here select casual from the leave you have selected. If you select the employee ID, particular employee, how many leaves got for the casual, it calculate and put into this variable. This variable you have to put here, right, comma, here you have to write as a D, this function you have to write, and text box txt days dot text. Right, here if I write here if value less than 0, the bell leave less than 0, here you have to put the message as message box dot show. You have right here is you have casual leave. The casual leave you have to write the variable here. Casual variable you have to put here. Write the base only. Comma error message, comma message box OK, comma message box error, icon error. You write like this here. Okay, now I wrote the codes. After that I explain exit sub. Right, that stuff you have to write. After that the same thing you have to write the another stuff as well here. The second radio button you have to write another else if. Now here what I am going to do is, after that I am going to copy this stuff, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. Here we have to write the stuff is end if, else if. You have to write as a else if. So write else if here. This one you have to remove the stuff. Right. Now here we have to change this one as a radio button 2. Radio button 2 means annual. So annual we have to write here as annual. Right. We have to write Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. Okay. How many days of the annual leave I loaded here above here. Annual leave. Okay. When you select the employee annual, how many leaves are there, it is stored here in this variable. Okay. Now here you have to select as annual. The same thing you have to do the another stuff as well. That is for third one should be this one. Which one? Medical. So we have to write another thing is medical. Third one for the medical. So the same thing, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. This one should be third one. Third one should be medical. This one should be medical. That's stuff we have to do. Right. After that what I am going to do is here we have to write another one thing is no pay. So here what I am going to do is here we have to same thing, have to Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. Here we have to the radio button 4. Radio button 4 means this is a no pay. Here radio button 4 means no pay. Here we have to write a no pay. No pay. We have already created a variable. Here we have to write as this thing we now needed. We have to remove them. This no needed. We have to remove them. This one also we have to no need remove them. Here you have to write what I am going to write is here is you have to write this one bell no pay, this one. This only thing you have to write. That's the only thing you have to write. Okay. Now here we have to put the message. Dot show. Write this ex dot message if there is any error. Here we have to this one casual. I'm going to write here Friday to this one week leave. If you click, it is accepted. And if you are take the value 14 days, if you click here, you have casual leave. You have a casual leave 8 days only. Okay, here it's available. Here if you go to the database, we have only give 8 days casual leave only for the 4 year. Okay, if you get more leave, that should be there. Okay, here if you select the leave for 1 week for casual leave, it is accepted. Here it's no, if you click, it's no error display. If you select more than that, if you click, you have a 8 days leave only. Okay, this is the important stuff. Okay, no pay, you can take anytime. This no, we are not paying for this. Here no pay, you can't get any leaves. Okay, if you are get more leaves, you can put no pay. Okay, this one should be, you can't. Only 8 days will be giving for casual as well as annual and medical. Okay, alright, this is how we have to do for getting the leave permissions here. Right, after that we have to write couple of SQL queries. Here we have two tables. One is a leave table, another one is a leave details table. So we have to, if the employee get the leave, here we have to reduce the leave from casual. If you get the casual leave 2 days, it should reduce. The same time, leave table, the details, employee details should be saved on the leave table. Okay, if it is if they taken the leave for the casual, but the reason and everything, here we have to notice here. Okay, let's see how to do the task. So here what I am going to do is here, try, you have to try and catch block. You have to write, first one is a dim. Your same here you have to write as a com.long as SQL command. Just I created the name as SQL command as a com.long. Any name you can create. SQL command equal new SQL command. You have to put the connection dot connection equal con. Here you have to write the first one, first radio button 1 dot check equal to then we have to write com.long dot command text equal, you have to write the update query. If the employee select as a casual leave, so you have to update which table, leave table, set, what is the column you have to set, casual. This column you have to set as a casual. This one same thing, Ctrl C copy, Ctrl V paste here. Equal, to write the parameterize like this, where emp is id or name, emp id equal, you have to write the same thing as a parameterize like this, right, and last year equal, so write like this, single quotation, double quotation, single quotation, you have to write hand signs. Here we have CSTR, so write here as a year today. That's the thing we have to write here. the same thing we have to write the another thing as well. So here we have to write another thing is we have to add the com loan, this one, com loan, you have to write com loan dot parameters dot add. Here we have to write these things. Here we have to set this parameter, comma balance value, right, you have to set like this. Right, this parameter set the value here. Okay, so radio button 1, what is the value here? It is set here. Okay, after that we have to write another stuff is else if part. We have to write the else if you have to write the condition as the same thing. Condition you have to write to mean radio button 2 mean what is the annual. So you have to same coding you have to copy and paste here. Here we have to set as a annual. Here also annual, the same thing you have to write like this. Right here same thing. After that another stuff is a 3 mean medical, right, third one should be medical. After that the same, after that what I am going to do is here fourth one should be the same thing, copy and paste here, no pay. We have to write as a no pay. The fourth one should be the no pay. We have to write as a, this one should be no pay, we have to write no pay, right. Fourth one should be no pay, right. That's the thing we have to write. After that we have to write another stuff is a com loan dot parameter dot add. We have to write the employee parameter here, this employee parameter here. So we have to write this one as a double quotation mark. You have to write like this. You have to comma txt employee id dot x. You have to write like this. Perfect. After that we have to open the connection, com dot open. After that com dot execute non-query. We have to write like this. Okay, that's the stuff we have to write. At the end we have to close the connection. Close the connection. That's the thing we have to write. Here if there is any error we have to pass it here as a catch. Message box dot show, pass here as please select the leave type. Comma error, comma message box okay, comma message box icon, error. Right. That's the thing we have to write. After that we have to exit the sub, exit sub, right. That's the thing we have to write. After that we have to write another insert query. For that we have to insert the record, right. Here we have to write the query for the insert record. So we have to write a try you have to write an insert query for that here. So write here as cd com1 as SQL command equal new SQL command com1 dot connection equal con here com1 dot command text equal, we have to write the insert query for here. Okay, leave details. Okay, we have to save the records into the leave details. So this is the leave details columns. For the design, you can see the leave details columns here. You have to get every columns here. You have to paste it. It's very easy stuff. Insert into leave details. Leave details. Here you have to paste it. Write this one should be from date. If you have changed this one as a to date. You have changed like this. Okay, let's save them. Right, you have to write like this. From date to date. The final one should be no pay. This one should be no pay. Write like this. After that, we have to write a values. Same thing, you have to copy. Control V to paste here. Make it as a parameterized type. That's it. That's the thing we have to write. Now we have to write add the values. Com dot parameters 1 dot add. Here we have to write a thing is here. Pass it here as first one should be emp id. So txt emp id dot text. This one. Right. After that you have to copy. Control V to paste here this one as well. Here what I am going to do is here emp name, this one txt emp name, txt emp name. Right, we have to write as this one. Category department takes dpt. After that reason, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. Reason, we have to do another stuff is here. We have to create the variable for here. Simple stuff. Dim reason as string. Right. Here what I'm going to do is after that, double click on this one. Here we have to write here. This stuff is if radio button 1 dot checked, this one equal true, mean we have to write this here is reason. Reason variable equal casual. Right. The same thing you have to Ctrl C to copy. Paste. This one should be annual. 2 mean 3 mean this one should be medical. Last thing you have to do. Right. After that, double click this one. If it is 4th mean it's a no pay. No pay. You have to right click this. Right. Now here you can add the here. You have to put here as a reason. After that, you write the date because from date to date, from date, what's this one? Write like this, dot value, after this one should be to date dot value. That's it. Final one should be, that's it. That's the only thing we have to write. Here have to write another no pay. We have to write like this. Okay, we have to write the dative function for the no pay. Date if ADI diff write day interval, day interval day. You write a this one here. Comma, this one value dot date, comma, here we have to write the this one not a no pay. Here we have to write this one for the we have to save it as a number of days. Number in no not a no pay, number of days, number of no days. This is number of days. You have to write like this. It's not a no pay, number of days. So we have to calculate the number of days here. Here the same thing, you have to write txt to date dot value. That's it. That's the thing we have to do. the thing we have to do. After that we have to write a count.open connection. Open. This one should be number of days. We have to write a number count dot open the connection. We have to write the com dot execute non-query. Execute non-query here. Com dot close. Binding, call the binding. After that, if there is any error, we have to pass it as a message dot show. We have to write as a ex dot message if all are correct, we have to message should be display message dot show. You have to write the same thing. You have to control C to copy this instead of again writing by writing here leave accepted. This information, this one should be information. Right, that's the thing you have to write. That's it we have to do. Okay, let's check whether it's working fine or not. Leave details table, you have to write the save the record. Okay, let's check whether it's working fine or not. Right, here I'm going to give the leave here. Yeah, these are the things we have to change this one. IT staff, department IT, this one should be staff, this is marketing. Right, here I'm going to give the leave for this employee today only for 6 days leave. Give type casual, click OK, leave accepted. Now you can check either whether it's working or not. Go here, select all, it's working well. Okay, it's working. Like here number of days it's not so. Why was the problem? Here number of days. Here what's the problem is here we have to write a from date to date. From date, that's why it didn't work. Now it's worked well. Okay, I have put two things are two dates, that's why it's error happens. Now here again you go here, you have to save the another things. This one I have gave the annual leave for 5 days. If you click OK, leave accepted. Now you can check here 5 days will be saved. Okay, all those things are here working fine, it's working well. Okay, now here it's working fine, all the things are working well. Now you can check the date as well. Here it's reduced. Here the same time when the employee get the days, here it's ready 5 days, it's reduced. Here annual days reduced, this one will be reduced. Okay, I hope you guys understood the things well. Here this one query, here two tables will be working. Okay, here the things is updated, here it is reducing. At the same time leave details table record should be added. Okay, you must try this one. If you have any doubt you can ask me. Thank you for watching.